Gandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Teo Moreno. We won the case against Riza Hontiveros. Yan. Kung malala nyo, last year, yung lumabas yung si alias Karine, yung star witness sa pagdinig. OJC Kibuloy sa Senado, na kung saan nagsalita doon si Karine sa Senado, later on lumabas si Karine, sinabi niya binayaran lang daw siya ni Riza Hontiveros. So maraming nag-comment, hanggang si Senator Riza nagsampa ng cyber libel case laban. Tingnan ko yung mga sinampahan niya ng kaso. Ito yung mga sinampahan niya ng kaso. Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, Brian Cristobal alias Banatbay, Jeffrey K. Eric Celis, Crisette Kipichu, Jose Jason Sa, and Alex Distor alias Teo Moreno. Ilan yun? 5 o 6? Ibinasura ng piskalya yung reklamo na isinampa ni Riza Hontiveros. Okay, ito po yung resolution. Department of Justice, National Prosecution Service, Office of the Secretary of Justice, Prosecution Staff. Ana Teresa Navarro Hontiveros Barakel, complainant, versus Attorney Ferdinand Topacio. Yon yung binanggit ko na kanina. Respondents for cyber libel under article so and so. Hindi ko na basahin. Resolution. This resolves the complaint for cyber libel under so and so. Punta na tayo doon sa pinaka-importante. So medyo mahaba-haba ito. Wherefore, ito na. Wherefore, it is respectfully recommended that the complaint for cyber libel under article so and so against respondents, yung binasa ko na kanina, be dismissed. Be dismissed for lack of prima facie evidence and with certainty of conviction. City of Manila, December 22, 2025. Ang nakapirma dito, Amanda Felipe, Senior Assistant State Prosecutor. Maria Rafal, Prosecution Attorney, recommending approval. Abugan, Senior Assistant State Prosecutor. Okay. So, wala na yung talo. So, ano ngayon? Masaya yung matandaan ko lang Kipichu, Banatbay, kakantsawan na naman yan. Banatbay, Kipicho, Banatbay, Teo Moreno, Jason Sa, Attorney Topacio, sino ba yung isa? Congratulations! Ito, puros mga DDS ito. Yeah, puros mga DDS. Panalo. And now, the end is near. And so you face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case of which I'm certain. Ang sarap kumanta basta ganito, yung masaya ko o kay nalulungkot, kumakanta ko yan. So, kaninong kanta ito? The end is near. Riza Hontiveros. Regrets, I had a few. And, okay, so ito. Teo Moreno, mayroon siyang comment. Sabi niya, when I received the subpoena, I personally drafted my defense and gathered all the evidence to show that my post about her did not constitute malice. Honestly, my initial instinct was to ignore the complaint because I was confident it would be dismissed. But when we found out it had been filed before the DOJ, we got scared. Ah. Siyempre, matatakot ka rin. Senador yung kalaban mo eh. We got scared. I'm also grateful to Kipicho for pushing me to take the necessary steps para hindi ako magka-warrant of arrest and for encouraging me to get a lawyer. Thank God, sabi niya. He provided me with an excellent lawyer who guided me through everything, from establishing the legal basis to preparing the counter affidavit, handling the paperwork, and more. I won't name you here, but I am forever grateful. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. This is not just my victory. This is a victory of everyone who has been legally harassed simply because of differing political viewpoints. Correct. Panalo natin lahat ito. Tayong mga nag-iingay. Gusto nila tayong takutin? No way. So, congratulations, Teo Moreno, Kipicho, Jason sa, Attorney Topacio, sino pa yung tuloy ang laban para sa bayan. Ito, ang daming nagko-congratulate. Ibi Hugalbot, nice one dong. Adrian Pascual, congratulations. Okay.